County, northeastern Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Galleon, or 10 miles southeast of Bucei Riffs, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicates...
Just quarter-size hail? Jeez.
Minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Galleon, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, and Iberia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Morrow, and Richland.